Okay, so dual screen at its best. Here's the audio playing from a YouTube video on the dual screen while... Say hello, David.
Hello, PH Digital fans.
So I'm chatting with him through one audio source and one speaker while I'm listening to that. But you can't hear the video playing in the background, can you?
I cannot hear any other audio, no.
Like, you can't hear it playing. How does it mute that out?
By magic of technology.
The magic... Man, I really... So I called T-Mobile, and they gave me an extension. They said I don't have to return this until Friday.
Oh, nice.
Anyway.
A little extra testing time.
Yeah. So I did figure out, and I showed this in another video, you can actually do a multi-screen on the primary window and then do the dual screen, so you can have 3 different apps running simultaneously.
A multitaskers drink.
Yeah, so I'll minimize your window, and it cuts off my video, and now I open up all the apps, and I just click on the app, multi-window, and then I can choose the weather channel. So okay, that's awesome. Okay, so now I'm playing a video, yours, and I'm checking the weather on one screen, and I'm chatting to you through the other. So I'm clearly not paying attention to anything you say.
And on your fourth screen, you're trading stocks.
Yeah, on my phone. No, I don't have a fourth screen. So I tried to do the... Oh, I just killed your thing. Hold on, we need to do that again. So we click the little button, click that button, multi-window, choose the app, and now we have split screen. And I can control how big or how small each app is. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, that's all for now. I gotta finish my work chat. See ya!